Follow the suggestion in this video to get the best out of my coffees.
Let us brew coffee from Ethiopia together. This is coffee from our premium rarities selection. It's called Semeon Abay from the Guji region. It is an heirloom coffee and the process is a special anaerobic fermentation. For more details on this coffee, please visit our webpage. To release all flavors of this premium rarity into your cup, prepare 300 grams of third wave water at 94 degrees in the kettle. Get 20 grams of beans ready and grind them on your comandante on click 25. This leads to a lovely acidity and a rich body. To avoid any unwanted flavors, rinse the filter paper with hot brewing water. Now add the ground coffee and shake the filter for an even extraction. Get ready for the 3 pours of 100 grams each. First pour, over 10 seconds, rather active circular pouring to get water and coffee in contact and to release the trapped CO2 from the roasting process, opening all the beautiful flavors. Pour 2 starting at 45 seconds, another 100 grams over 15 seconds in soft circular pouring. Try to be as even as possible. The third pour starts at 1 minute and 30 seconds, the last 100 grams over 15 seconds in soft circular pouring again. When the counter reaches 2 minutes, swirl the filter holder, which leads to an even more balanced cup profile with this coffee. After the total brew time of 2 minutes and 45 seconds, can enjoy the intense flavors of mango, pineapple, peach, pear cider and cocoa in your cup. Thank you for choosing Gardelli